Tell me where you want to go.
To California.
Can you sing the song?
To California, the paradise, this land, you and me.
This land was made for you and me.
And
As I was walking.
No.
Oh, sorry.
This was my land. This was your land. California, the paradise,
Redwood Forest. The Gulf Stream Walk.
Made for you and me.
Okay, and where do you want to go?
To California.
Okay, how are we going to get there?
We have to pick up plane.
Uh-huh.
We have to take a car to get there.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to put this car to this and the car, and I'm going to put that car and the airplane and more in the airplane.
Okay. And where are we going to get the money to go to California?
To home.
But where are we getting the money to buy the tickets?
At the shop.
At the shop. Okay. Okay, we have to talk to Daddy about this.
Okay.
Okay, because Daddy has work and you have school. Right?
Yes.
And we're having Thanksgiving with Harry. You don't want to miss that, do you?
Yeah.
You want to see Harry, right?
Yes.
Okay. So maybe we shouldn't go to California right this second.
Yeah. Maybe we can go to Harry's house. Maybe, Mama,
Yes?
Harry's house is far away.
How are we going to get to Harry's house?
We can take a car.
Or we could take a train.
Or a car.
Or a bus.
Maybe we can take a train.
We could take a train.
Yeah, we can take a train to Harry's house.
Yes.
But what called? What's it called?
What's what called?
What's it called?
The train?
Yeah.
Subway?
Yeah. Mama, first we have to go down the steps and down some more steps.
Right.
Take a two train.
Right.
And first we have to wait for it.
Yes. We wait and wait and wait.
We have to wait for our train to come along.
Yes. The train going the right way.
Yeah, it's going the right way.
And what did you do at school today?
It has to go over with a random minute. Another tunnel. Choo choo.
That's right. You have your coins?
Yeah. This card is for the train.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Mama?
But it's dark outside.
Yeah, but there's a light.
There are lights.
And cars have lights.
That's true. Cars have lights.
And I want to play my train. He's called Emily. Can we play Emily, please?
Yes, when we go to Harry's house. But we're not going to Harry's house right now.
Why?
Because it's nighttime.
But Mama.
Harry's asleep. And tomorrow you've got to go to school. And the day after that you go to school. And then we go to Harry's house. Okay, let's sing the California song again. You did?
Yes, it's on the couch. I want you to turn it on.
What do you want?
I want you to turn it on.
Turn what on?
Turn the high TV background.
What do you say?
Please. Please.
Uh,
Please.
okay.